Hey everyone, it's been quite a while. So today I'm going to be showing you this box loader. It's quite a small contraption, but people seem to think it's cool, so I thought I'd make a video on it. So it's not like the other box loaders. Normally you just have a box and you load it with one item type or random mixed items, then you break it when it's full. This one actually loads it with two different item types. So you got prismarine shards and prismarine crystals. And they're in a very specific ratio. So you have 4 stacks of prismarine shards to every 5 stacks of crystals, and that's the exact ratio that you need to make 3 stacks of sea lanterns from a box. So each one of these boxes in the chest is going to craft exactly 3 stacks of sea lanterns. The way this works is we've got these 2 wide AB tileable slices, and each one of these slices has 2 item types. So it's got a filter for shards and a filter for crystals. And when it has enough of both of them, it'll start clocking, and it'll fill the box with shards on a 5 game tick clock, or 4 times a second, and the crystals will be on a 4 game tick clock, which is 5 times a second. So that's how we get the very specific ratio that we want. And it is reliable. Like, the boxes sometimes don't look identical, as you can see, but the ratios are still the same, it's just some slots are swapped. To show you the full power of this working, I've got this crafting station here. It's based on some crafting stations that Floppy and Kiku have been showing. I'll take all the items out of the box, and then if I craft them into sea lanterns, you can see I get exactly 3 stacks. Right, so now I'm going to show if you want to use some mods, you can craft even faster. So I'm going to be using Fallen Breath's Tweaker More for the Auto Clean Container, and Andrew's Item Scroller Craft Fix, which is just a fork of Massa's Item Scroller that lets you craft faster. So you can empty all the boxes like this. Highly vanilla gameplay right here. And that's 9 boxes of ingredients. 9 times 3 is 27, so we should get a full box of sea lanterns in here. So it's empty right now, and then I can just craft it extremely vanilla, as you can tell. And, we've got the box here, right? So hopefully that's convinced you that these box loaders are pretty useful if you've got a Guardian farm. That's definitely a lot more effort crafting the sea lanterns manually. And it does work with an actual Guardian farm. I have tested it. We're going to build it in survival soon. Yeah, hope you enjoyed. That's basically it. See ya. Oh, schematics and world downloads and whatever will be in the description.